Welcome to the Refoundry tutorial series. In this video, I'll build a simple two-column section using Refoundry's layout system. I'll start by adding a container. Inside the container, I'll add a row and a column. By default, columns span the full width. I'll change this column's width from 12 to 6. Next, I'll change the color of the column and add some text. I'll change the color of the text so it's easier to read. Then I'll add some spacing around the text to give it some breathing room. Since I want a two-column layout, I can just duplicate the existing column. Now I want to change the color of the container and add some padding to it. The container block comes with an option to toggle the max width on or off. When I turn on the Remove Max Width option, the section spans the full width of the page. If I turn it off, the section will have a constrained layout. And that's how you can build a simple two-column section using Refoundry's layout system in just a few minutes.